Storm Goretti, go away! Oh my god! Good morning, Friday. It is crazy, right? Yesterday, on my way to work, I can see I was looking at the monitor, cancelled, delayed, all of those, as per usual. I didn't notice the severity of the signage that they have written on the board. So, did my work back home, and I was reading the signage because I have to stay a little bit longer at the station. There's a handful of us because it was raining heavily. The wind is, honestly, it is crazy. It's like mad. And I was there for like, I think nearly 15 minutes because there is no available taxi around, right? And I was reading the signage, and it's written there, strongly advised not to travel for Thursday and Friday due to Storm Goretti, as per standard warning. But it's the bottom part that I was intrigued, that for the first time, I've never seen them actually wrote this. It is written there, they will not procure a replacement should there be any cancellation from yesterday and obviously today. So today, honestly, I was just lucky. Could you imagine? You get stuck somewhere and there is no train. What will you do? Yeah, like get a taxi, get this and everything. As much as it's gonna cost you an arm and a leg, it is also scary. And I was a little bit scared yesterday, even last night. The wind, the rain, obviously I couldn't sleep. And I should have, I should be used to it because I'm from the Philippines. We have storm. It's a normal thing. But sometimes, I don't know, it is still scary. I still feel scary. I'm still not gonna get used to it. Yes, we encountered it, but no, I'd rather not. So this morning, as you can see outside, still very gray. The rain stopped a little bit. It stopped now, but I can still hear the wind. So guys, whatever you do today, definitely follow the advice. Do not go out. Stay where you are unless it is really essential. So I have this feeling my one will probably be cancelled. So yeah, it's just by luck today I have to take an annual leave to deal with something. So yeah, take care. Show some kindness to the others, and